We're back at it. It's Thursday afternoon. This is our last time set to work on Hendrick. So we welded up the heater channel. So you can see there, a little hard to see, underside there, and welding on that side. So both of them are ground up. We're thinking it looks like the gaps are staying the same, although we're not gonna open the door with it up in the air. So it is time now to drop the body back on the pan and hook up all 32 bolts and then make sure that the doors are still the same. So time to get to it.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans. Portland ran away with me, and San Francisco stayed with me. Nashville made its way in between. Fell in love in Minnesota.